Hello and welcome to Virtual Open House 2020. This is the Swiss Room. This room was dedicated in 2012 and it is in a late medieval style, modeled after the Zurich Room, which is a room inside Frauenmünster Abbey. This room would be a communal space, and a lot of the themes of communal space and unity can be shown throughout this room. Up on the frieze we have different woodland creatures and even Swiss cheese. And over here beside me, we have a kachelofen. A kachelofen is a warming oven, much like the piche in the Ukrainian room. It also has different woodland creatures, and the designs are reminiscent of that late medieval era. The Swiss room has 4 tables, each of which is supposed to represent a different ethnic or language region in Switzerland. Those ethnic and language regions include French, German, Italian, and Romansh. Each of the chairs has the symbol of one of the 26 cantons in Switzerland. I mentioned before that this room exhibits a theme of unity and communal identity, and so this idea of different cantons of different languages and ethnic cultures all coming together to create one united area of Switzerland is really exhibited in these tables and chairs. Behind me, the windows are covered with the first 3 cantons that formed together in 1291, making Europe's oldest democracy. They include Uri the Bull, Schwyz the White Cross, and Unterwalden, which later split into Nidwalden and Obwalden. This window covering behind me shows the flag of Switzerland. Around it we have rondelles. These are not real rondelles, but they showcase the style that would be popular during the late medieval era. And over here we have a map of Switzerland with its Latin name, Helvetia. Going along the lines of individual liberties, democracy, and independent thought, the committee wanted to include certain Enlightenment era thinkers such as Jean-Jacques Rousseau. His philosophies and work later inspired a lot of educational reformers, such as Johann Pestalozzi. Johann Pestalozzi advocated for education reform that included education of the mind and body and soul all together. Other important Enlightenment era and other thinkers in this room include Albert Gallatin, who was the U.S. Secretary of the Treasury, and Henry Bouquet, who has Bouquet Street named after him. Given that this is the 2020 Holiday Open House, let me tell you a bit about Switzerland's holiday traditions. The Advent calendar was created in Switzerland as a way to teach children patience, as well as during the first Sunday of Advent, Advent wreaths made of pine branches are placed in Swiss houses. In the German-speaking cantons in Switzerland, children believe that Santa Claus will come and place different gifts such as oranges in their boots for them. Santa Claus is accompanied by schnitzel and a donkey. Thank you so much for coming to the virtual 2020 Holiday Open House. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.